what is the negative binomial situation? So we have this situation that we have a trial, we have independent trials like we have in case of binomial. Okay, each trial results in a success or a failure with probability P for success, and failure, the probability is 1 minus P. Okay, and we are looking for what is the probability, what is the probability that kth success occurs at xth trial. Do you understand, beta? So we have independent trials. Each trial is resulting into a success or failure, and the probability of success is P and failure is 1 minus P. You can also make one more point. P remains constant. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ट्रायल में P की वैल्यू कुछ और है, दूसरे में कुछ और है. In that case, I am interested in what is the probability that my kth success occurs at xth trial. Can you tell me what will be it? So this kind of distribution is called a negative binomial distribution. Okay, beta? Yes? Yes. So this kind of distribution is called a negative binomial distribution. Can you please close that door, beta? Thank you. Is that okay, beta? So can you tell me, so what will be the PDF? We will write it as, because this is negative binomial, I'll use binomial के case में we are using B for PDF. So in this case, I will use B star. B star. What are the parameters? Can you tell me, beta? What will be your parameters? क्या क्या है? X, K and P. Can you tell me what it will be? Total trials कितने चाहिए मुझे? I want that my kth success occurs at xth trial. So this is a situation that these are x trials. These are total x trials. I want कि यहाँ भी जो हो वो kth success हो. So इसका मतलब before this there will be k minus 1 successes. Am I right? Okay. Is that clear, beta? I want, what is the situation? What I am looking for? I am looking for that my kth success occurs at xth trial. इसका मतलब x total trials है, तो last trial पे मेरा kth success आना चाहिए. इसका मतलब उससे पहले कितने trials में success आया होगा? k minus 1 trials में, right? Because I want my kth success to be here. So ये कितने हैं? ये total कितने slots हैं? X minus 1. So I want that out of these x minus 1 slots, which I am making yellow. So out of these yellow x minus 1 slots, I want k minus 1 successes. What is the probability? बताइए बेटा. Tell me. Out of x minus 1, I will choose k minus 1. And then what is the probability of success? P. Probability of success is P, right? Okay. So I will put P everywhere on these k minus 1 slots. And I also want here a success at the kth slot. For that another P. Okay. And how many slots are left? N minus k. And I want a failure there. So 1 minus P raised to power N minus k. Does that make sense, beta? किसी को doubt इसमें? So, sorry, not x minus k, not n. Right? Total slots are x. Okay, let me tell this thing again, beta. So you have this situation. I have x slots, right, beta? X slots है. I want kth success here. Okay, इसका मतलब in x minus 1 slots, I want k minus 1 successes. तो इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? x minus 1 c k minus 1 p की पावर k minus 1 और इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी p. और बाकी कितने स्लॉट्स बचे? x minus k. वहां पे you want failure. So that will be 1 minus p raised to power x minus k. ये किस चीज की probability है? Probability of failure at x minus k slots. Does that make sense, beta? Therefore, in case of negative binomial, your PDF is going to be, therefore our PDF is going to be B star, we write it as B star x comma k comma p, that is going to be x minus 1 c k minus 1. This p and this p will combine, so p raised to power k and 1 minus p raised to power x minus k. Okay beta? Fine? Is that thing clear? So let me do one problem. In a series of, say, cricket, probability that a series of 7 matches, okay, series में total 7 matches है, probability that team A wins is 0.55, probability that team B wins is कितनी होगी 45. ओके, दो टीम्स है, A की probability 0.55 है, दूसरी की 0.45 है. What is the probability that team A wins in 5 matches? बताइए. This type of problems can be solved with negative binomial. Can you tell me? So you have a series of matches. कितने total match है बेटा? 7. Probability of A दी हुई है और probability of B दी हुई है. हर match independent होगा unless until something is जो pre-planned है, but we assume that every match is independent. Okay, so every match is independent. What I want? Can you tell me? I want team A कब जीत जाएगी जब उसने 4 मैच जीत. Okay, sorry. To win this series, a team has to win 4 matches. I'm sorry. Otherwise, does not make any sense. Okay, so 7 matches की series है. A team has to win 4 matches to win this series. So now I'm looking for what is the probability कि 5 matches लगेंगे for team A to win. So what I'm looking for? I want for team A, 4th win should be at 5th place, at 5th match. यही चाह रहे ना? क्योंकि टीम A कब जीतेगी जब उसने 4 मैच जीत लिए total. And I want the series to finish in 5 matches. So I'm looking for team A's 4th win on 5th match या फिर in 5th match. Is this thing clear? This is what we are looking for. So the moment you see this thing, you know that this is negative binomial. Okay, so what I am looking for? I am looking for, सबसे पहले आपने x लिखना है. x is कितने ट्रायल्स हैं आपके? I am looking for 5 मैचेस होने चाहिए. और कौन से ट्रायल पे आपको, सॉरी टोटल आपके 5. On the 5th match, I want my कौन सी सक्सेस? 4th. और what is the probability of win? 0.55. This is what I am looking for. Is that thing clear beta? So you see the idea of doing these things is कि जैसे ये वाला क्वेश्चन आप स्क्रैच से भी कर सकते हो, जैसे हम पहले करते थे कि पूरा अपना सोच के एनालिसिस लगा के. But now because you know the situations कि okay this is my negative binomial situation, straight away आप formula लगा सकते. Okay, it's much faster than the initial analysis which we were doing in chapter 2 or 3. Does that make sense beta? So that will be how much? 4c3, देखो x minus 1 c k minus 1, p raised to power k, p is your 0.55 raised to power 4 and 1 minus p raised to power x minus k. Whatever is the difference. So this is your answer. Okay beta? So negative binomial situation is at so many केसेस जब आपके पास ऐसे गेम्स वाली सिचुएशन है ना, so all those things will fall into the category of negative binomial distribution. देखो हमने किया है सबसे पहले जो binomial distribution थी that was for quality check. Do you remember? जो क्वालिटी चेक था कि अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है कि बुरा प्रोडक्ट है, और जो हाइपरजियोमेट्रिक थी दैट वाज आल्सो फॉर क्वालिटी चेक व्हेन यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, मतलब लॉट है आपके पास अलग-अलग थिंग्स के पैकेजेस हैं. एंड देन दिस ज्योमेट्रिक जो आपकी नेगेटिव बाइनोमियल सिचुएशन है दैट इज व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग गेम्स. Okay, this is one of the examples. There are other examples also where they can be used. Is that okay, beta? So now the next thing is, what is the mean and what is the variance? Mean and variance for negative binomial. So the mean and variance is, mean is k into 1 minus p upon p and variance is k into 1 minus p over p square. ठीक है, ये आपने without proof you have to remember these formulas. Okay बेटा. Now the next thing is geometric distribution. Geometric distribution is same as negative binomial except if k is equal to 1 in negative binomial. उसमें क्या होगा बेटा, k आपने फिक्स कर दिया, इसका मतलब that is we want first success to occur at kth trial. Am I right? अगर k is equal to 1 in your negative binomial, that means I want my first success to be at the xth trial, sorry, not kth. Okay, I want my first success to be at xth trial. k1 मैंने फिक्स कर दिया. Okay, so that is उस केस में b star x k p था ना, k तो 1 फिक्स हो गया, that will be b star x 1 p. तो ये देखो क्या बन जाएगा बेटा, आपका फॉर्मूला क्या था आपका, x minus 1 c, k minus 1 is 0. Okay, if k is 1 into p raised to power कितना था, क्या था, p raised to power k था ना, right, k is 1 and then 1 minus p raised to power x minus k. तो ये क्या बन गया आपका, this is p, इसको q बोल दो. ठीक है, 1 minus p को जनरली हम q बोल देते हैं, q raised to power k minus 1. this is a geometric series, right? p तो फिक्स है, q भी फिक्स है, x चेंज होता रहेगा, ये ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज बन रही है. सो कैसी टर्म्स है ये ऐसी टर्म्स है, पहले p फिर pq फिर pq स्क्वायर डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि x क्या है, फॉर्म्स अ ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज, इसलिए इसको ज्योमेट्रिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोलते हैं. Does that make sense beta? So this kind of distribution, so geometric distribution is same as negative binomial distribution when k is 1, है ना. यहाँ पे x चेंज करो तो यही बनेगा ना बेटा, जब x 1 है तो पहली टर्म t, so इसको ऐसे डिनोट करते हैं gx, p. So this is my PDF for geometric distribution. क्या है आपकी कंडीशन, क्या है ज्योमेट्रिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में, व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट माय फर्स्ट सक्सेस अकर्स एट एक्सेस ट्रायल. मतलब सिचुएशन वही है दैट यू हैव इंडिपेंडेंट ट्रायल्स, each trial is resulting into a success and a failure with a probability p and 1 minus p. I am looking for the probability that my first success occurs at xth trial. So this is the probability. Okay beta, make sense? X can be first 1 2 3 anything, right? क्योंकि you can say that I want my first success to be at the first trial. उस केस में आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, p, क्योंकि एक ही ट्रायल है, एक उसमें आप सक्सेस चाहते हो. What is the probability? For example, suppose I am tossing a coin, and what is the probability that I will get a head on the first trial? Tell me. 0.5, right? What is the probability that my first head will be at the second trial? कितनी probability है बेटा? Yeah, 1/4, right? कैसे आएगा वो? पहले पे आप चाहते हो टेल, दूसरे पे हेड, टेल की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 into 1/2 1/4. So like that is a geometric series. What is the probability that I get my first set on third trial? That will be 1/2 into 1/2 into 1/2. So that is 1/2 raised to power 3. So that forms a geometric series. Okay, so x की values यहाँ पे 1 2 3 and so on. Is that okay beta? So let us do one problem. For a certain manufacturing process, it is known that on the average, 1 in every 100 items is defective. What is the probability that the fifth item inspected is the first defective to be found? Can you tell me beta how we will solve this problem? So you see what is happening here is you have a manufacturing process. Okay, so उस process में it is known that if we choose 100 items, out of those 100 items 1 is defective. So what is the probability of defective? 1/100, right? 0.01. What is the probability of defective? So each item can be defective or non-defective with a probability of 0.01 and 1 minus 0.01. Is that okay, Beta? So if you choose an item that is like independent, one item you test it, then the second item you test it, and so on. So independent trials. What we are looking for? बताओ, what we are looking for? Tell me in terms of geometric distribution. Is it a geometric distribution? What we want our first defective to be at the fifth trial, right? So we want our first defective to be at fifth trial. Is that okay, Buddha? This is what I am looking for. So that means I am looking for g of 5 comma p. So I am looking for what is the formula? P into 1 minus p raised to power 5 minus 1. So that is 0.01 into 0.99 raised to power 4. The answer is 0.0096. Is that okay, Beta? Now can you see, we know the distributions, then it is very easy to find the probabilities in a complex situations like this, right? You just have to see what kind of distribution it is falling into, what category we can put that situation into, and then you have everything ready made for that particular situation. Okay, Beta? मीन क्या हो जाएगा इस केस में बताइए? प्रोबेबिलिटी उसके नेगेटिव बाइनोमियल के केस में जो भी आपका मीन था k को 1 कर दीजिए. So mean will be 1 minus p over p और variance will be 1 minus p over p square. Okay? Right. Okay, then we have this next problem. Can you do it for me? Okay, before that, can you tell me why the name negative binomial? Anybody? Why the name negative binomial? बताओ बेटा, b star x k p क्या था वो? फॉर्मूला बताइए क्या है? x minus 1 c k minus 1 p की power k q की power x minus k where q is 1 minus p. Now can you think of why we are calling it as negative binomial? Think about it. Binomial मैंने आपको बताया था कि why the name binomial. So can you write any series and you will see these as the expansion terms, like terms in the expansion of that series. बताओ बेटा, कोई सीरीज लिख सकते हैं जिसकी टर्म्स जो है एक्सपेंशन की ये वाले आएंगे? वो उसमें हम किस चीज की सीरीज लिख रहे थे बायनोमियल के केस में? वी वर राइटिंग द सीरीज फॉर p plus q raised to power n. Can you think of what series we should write here? बताओ ना, यहाँ पे you want p की पावर k q की पावर x minus k into x minus 1 c k minus 1. Sorry. नेगेटिव बाइनोमियल मतलब कुछ नेगेटिव होगा, राइट? p माइनस, ओके, फिर रेज टू पावर क्या करो? थिंक अबाउट इट बेटा, व्हाई दिस नेम? ठीक है, ये किसी सीरीज की एक्सपेंशन बनेगी. ओके, आई हैव आल्सो आस्क्ड यू कि हाइपरजेमेट्रिक को हाइपरजेमेट्रिक क्यों कहते हैं. सो लुक फॉर अ सीरीज whose expansion gives you these terms. Okay, so that will tell you why its name is negative binomial. Okay, इसको ढूंढना. Now do one problem. So you have this problem. At a busy time, a telephone exchange is very near its capacity. So the callers have difficulty placing their calls. Callers have difficulty placing their calls. It may be of interest to know. It may be of interest to know number of attempts necessary या required to in order to make a connection. This is no longer I guess the problem, right? अब नहीं, इतनी पहले होती थी, right? कि अगर busy time है तो अब बार-बार आपको try करना. Now with the advancement of technology. Okay, so the question is, suppose that we let p is equal to 0.05 be the probability of connection during such an hour जब busy है. Okay, we are interested in knowing the probability that 5 attempts are required for a successful call. Tell me the answer. बताओ. ओके, सिंपल है. मुझे बस ये बताओ कि कौन सी सिचुएशन है. ज्योमेट्रिक है. व्हाट यू वांट? वी वांट आवर फर्स्ट सक्सेस टू अकर एट 5th ट्रायल. सिंपल, राइट? तो आपने देखो इतना बड़ा आपको ये बोला है कि वी आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस. Okay, that is your answer. That is it. Is that thing clear to everybody? We are looking for this. Our first success to happen at fifth trial. Okay, our first success. The moment you see first success, इसका मतलब आपने नेगेटिव बाइनोमियल में के मान पुट कर दिया, मतलब ज्योमेट्रिक में आ गए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट सक्सेस टू occur at fifth trial. So इसके बाद the answer is very simple. क्या है आंसर? P into Q raised to power 4, right? So this is your answer. How much time is left? So, okay, let me tell you the series here also. Anybody? कौन सी series होगी? The series here is P की पावर k 1 minus Q raised to power minus k. Okay? Q raised to power minus k. इसकी एक्सपेंशन लिखना बेटा. क्या आएगी? P की पावर k 1 minus Q raised to power minus k की एक्सपेंशन याद है किसी को? 1 माइनस जब नेगेटिव होता है तो 1 प्लस np प्लस n इंटू n माइनस 1 बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल p स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन. बाइनोमियल में भूल गए? ऐसा होता था जब 1 प्लस x रेज टू पावर माइनस n 1 माइनस x रेज टू पावर n माइनस n. So expansion was 1 plus nx plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial n x square and so on. ऐसा होगा. तो ये बन जाएगा आपका p की पावर k 1 plus qk plus k into k plus 1 by 2 factorial q square and so on. देखो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या आ रही है? p की पावर k when x is 0 sorry not x is 0, हमें p की पावर k कब आएगा ये? When what is the value of x? When x is k, है ना? x k से स्टार्ट होगा ना बेटा. अगर आप कह रहे हो कि मेरा, आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि नेगेटिव बाइनोमियल के केस में x की वैल्यूज क्या होंगी. If you want your kth success to occur at xth trial, x will start from k, है ना. अगर आप चाहते हो कि फोर्थ सक्सेस मेरी फिफ्थ उससे आए, है ना, तो फोर्थ सक्सेस को मैं थर्ड पे तो नहीं कह सकती ना. So remember that in negative binomial x starts from k, then k plus 1 and so on. So you see when x is k, the first term will be p raised to power k, that is here. Okay, when x is k plus 1, in that case you will get this term and so on. Okay, so the terms which are the PGF, they are actually the terms of this expansion, and here is a negative binomial expansion. That is why the name negative binomial. Okay, binomial के केस में एक binomial expansion लिख लीजिए. That was the name. That is why its name was negative binomial. Okay, बेटा. So we are just left with one more distribution, that is Poisson distribution. Let me write it down. So we are left with one more distribution. Okay, and then till that you will have your MSc, that is the syllabus for your MSc. Okay, for that we will not start it today because only 10 minutes are left. Yes. Okay, beta. So what I am saying is, okay, so you see in case of negative binomial, what was my PDF, beta? PDF was b star x k p, that was x minus 1 c k minus 1 p raised to power how much? K q raised to power x minus k, and x will start from k. Is this part clear, beta? Okay, now I am saying why it's named negative binomial. So I am saying that look at the expansion of this. P raised to power k 1 minus q raised to power minus k. What will be the expansion for this? P raised to power k 1 plus k p plus k into k plus 1 by 2 p q square k q. Okay, I am sorry, and so on. Okay, beta. So now these terms for x is equal to k, ये क्या बनेगी? जब मैं x को k पुट कर दूं क्या बनेगा बेटा? k minus 1 c k minus 1, that is 1 p की पावर k q की पावर 0। p की पावर k बनेगा सिर्फ, जब मैं x को k प्लस 1 पुट करूंगी उस केस में ये क्या बनेगा बेटा, k प्लस 1 पुट कीजिए यहाँ पे, k c k माइनस 1 दैट विल बी क्या होगा, k c k माइनस 1 k इंटू p की पावर k इंटू q की पावर 1। तो ये देखो, ये जो फर्स्ट टर्म है वो एक्सपेंशन की फर्स्ट टर्म है ना, सेकंड जो है वो एक्सपेंशन की सेकंड टर्म है, कैन यू सी, एंड सो ऑन। सो इसका मतलब जो पीडीएफ है फॉर डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ k that can be obtained from the terms of expansion of this negative binomial. That is why we are calling it as a negative binomial distribution. Make sense? Okay beta, so this is left, we'll discuss it next time.